This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, September the 13th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see cloudiness with the monsoonal flow over the desert southwest, a cold front moving into the northern plains and western Great Lakes, kicking off some showers and storms across the UP. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was fairly quiet. Watch morning map from around midnight. Some flash flood watches over the Sierra Nevada mountains of Nevada and California. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was quiet at that time. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, shows the heaviest amount of rain will be over Colorado, New Mexico, into Oklahoma and Texas, where they desperately need the rain, whereas here, little if anything. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a northwesterly flow aloft with a trough moving into the western Great Lakes and northern Plains states. At the surface, cold front will be moving or will have moved through the state at that time. Cooler temperatures, not the 80s we saw today or on Monday. We'll see 60s to near 70 for highs. Wednesday, more rain is the model wants to show some rain. I think the atmosphere is going to be too dry. If we get any precipitation, it'll be sprinkles and highs in the 60s. Thursday morning. This is Thursday morning. High pressure almost directly overhead. We could see lows in the lower 30s in some cooler locations. Otherwise, mid-30s to low 40s elsewhere. Friday morning could be upper 30s in the cooler locales with lower to mid-40s and highs in the mid-60s, with sunny skies and winds beginning to switch around to the south. Saturday, now this is a little bit new. It shows disturbance moving in with maybe a threat of a shower. We're not completely buying it, but there could be some increased clouds. Continues into Sunday, where there could be maybe a shower. Otherwise, it'll be partly cloudy with highs around 70. Monday, a cold front begins to move into the state, so we could see some widespread showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm at that time. And we head to a week from today, the 20th, trough moving in, a deep trough at that, moving into the area and the western Great Lakes with ridges on either side. At the surface, the cold front will be just to the east. There could be some residual moisture, some clouds, maybe a sprinkle, and highs dropping back into the 60s at that time. We move further into the Voodoo country. September the 24th, main storm track over the U.S.-Canadian border again. Bit of a trough over New England. At the surface, high pressure will be east of the state. Southerly winds will begin to take hold, so temperatures likely at this point will be maybe in the mid-70s with mostly sunny skies. At the end of the forecast, September the 28th, storm track still near the U.S.-Canadian border with little, if any, storm systems around here. At the surface, there'll be one near the U.S.-Canadian border and some pockets of moisture around, but nothing worthwhile as we head toward the end of September. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.